If you are someone who is not very tech savvy, or you have a hard time following instructions by reading them, this video is for you, because I'm going to try to really simplify it and slowly go over being able to take a picture, being able to record audio, and also being able to do a video. And it's easier to go through it with someone who's doing it. That's why I'm doing this video, because I'm just like you. It'll save a lot of time. So let's get into this. This is the SD card and this is the pin. The USB port for the charger and the reader for the SD card is on my laptop. I will show you that in a little bit. Here's the pin. We're not going to use that right now. These are extra pins, and there is a little thing to pull out the SD card, but I didn't use it. But that comes with it as well. And here's the instructions. So we're going to turn this thing on. Your camera is in the front. Some people might see that light and they might think the camera's here. The camera's here. So, instructions. We're going through this together. You turn this on. You hold it for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. Now we are in standby mode. The light is on and we're in standby mode, waiting to do something. If we don't do anything for 60 seconds, this will turn off. If this flashes 5 times, it's because this card is not in properly or it's not in at all. So it'll flash 5 times and turn off. So now we want to take a picture. So we are in standby mode. The light is on. We're going to take a picture. The camera's in the front. To take a picture, you just simply press a button. 1. Flash. We just took a picture. Take another one. Flash. We just took 2 pictures. We are still in standby mode. So you just press it and it takes the picture, and then it goes back into standby mode. So we want to record a video. We're still in standby mode. We just took 2 pictures. We want to record a video. You press this button, you hold it for 2 seconds, just like when you turn it on. So you hold it for 2 seconds, and this light will flash 3 times, and then turn off, and the camera will be rolling. So 1001, 1002, 1, 2, 3. The light is off. Now we are recording. So we're recording a video. Hello, I'm waving at you. We can go see this in our files. And to pause the video, to go back into standby mode, you just press the button. Now the video is over and we are in standby mode again. So we just took a picture and we just recorded a video. Be sure to either write that down, because it can get confusing maybe, right? Some people might get confused as how many seconds and how many pushes, and I get that. You want to write that down somewhere to just be able to reference that until you memorize it. Now we want to record an audio. What I did was I turned it off. You don't have to turn it off, but I just turned it off. Hold it for 5 seconds. Now we're off. Then I turn it back on, 2 seconds, 1001, 1002. Now we are back on. We're in standby mode. So we want to record some audio. You press the button 1, 2, 3 times, and this will flash 2 times, and then it will go off and we're in audio. So 1, 2, 3. Did I do that correctly? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're in audio. The first time we weren't in audio because the light was still flashing, or light was still red. Now we are recording audio. Now to go back into standby mode, press the button. Now audio is over, we're in standby mode. So we just took 2 pictures, we recorded a video, and we recorded some audio. We're in standby mode. So let's turn this off and let's go see what we did. 5 seconds. And we're now off. Removable disk is where you're going to find it. For people that don't know how to find it, that's where you're going to find it. In removable disk in your files. When this is flashing like this, it's charging. When it's all the way red, it's fully charged. I recommend charging it full. If it's not really charged all the way, it might not work as well. So fully charged, there's your USB port, and this is the reader that the SD card goes in. Okay, so I am in my laptop and I'm recording this with my cell phone, so you will get the gist of it, but I just am going to record it with my cell phone here. We are in removable disk, and these are our files. So let's see the photos that we took. Let's open, and these are the photos with my thumb. Very nice and professional with my thumb. Now let's see the video. We open, and this is the video. Let's play this video. 1, 2, 3. The light is off. Now we are recording. So we're recording a video. Hello, I'm waving at you. We can go see this in our files. And to pause the video, to go back into standby mode, you just press the button. So there's the video. Now let's go, and we go to audio. And let's see the audio that we made. Okay, now we're in audio. The first time, we weren't in audio because the light was still flashing, or light was still red. Now, we are recording audio. Now to go back into standby mode. So there's our audio, and everything's really easy once you get in here. Just you'll find that in removable disk. Some people have a hard time finding where it's at. Removable disk, and then you will find it. So I hope this helps, and just go slow, take your time, and make notes of how many presses and you know, that kind of thing, because it could get confusing. You could be doing a video and wanting to do audio, right? So I really hope this helps, and I hope you have yourself a great day.